The stock market is kicking off this brand new trading week with consolidation. We aren't seeing any big movements, and this is kind of mirrored in the Forex market as well. We have Treasury yields down slightly, which has not really affected the US dollar, which is up against the euro, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc. However, the greenback is down against the Australian and New Zealand dollars. There's very little consistency in the market. Now, of course, it's not a huge surprise because we had big data last week. We have less data this week. We only have the Fed minutes midweek and then Jackson Hole symposium beginning, but we probably won't get the statement from Jackson Hole till the end of the week or the weekend. The big story over this that the market is waiting for is the meeting between President Trump and President Zelensky, and to see what kind of outcome came out of Trump and Putin's meeting over the weekend. And so that's something the market's focusing on because the Ukraine-Russia war has been a big a drag on European tensions and of course what's happening in Ukraine for some time now. In terms of the market in general, as I said, there's very little U.S. data. So I think the weakness that we had last week could carry over into this week. But there's a lot of data from other countries. There's the PMIs from UK, Eurozone, Australia. We have the Reserve Bank of New Zealand rate decision where they could very well lower interest rates again. We have Canadian inflation report, retail sales report. We have UK retail sales report. So the bottom line is that there's a lot going on in other countries that could affect how currency markets move and also give us some nice relative value plays.